Come with me to buy some new hill walking shoes as a girl that's never been hill walking. But living in Scotland and having all of these Munros, I really feel like it's something that I should have done a long time ago. I am always admiring other people's pictures and I figure it's better late than never. Now I am a total beginner, so I know nothing about outdoor walking, but I headed to Cotswold Outdoors to find some new walking shoes. They have so many to choose from, I didn't know where to start, but I have heard that Salomon are a really good brand. Taking the advice of the advisors, that's what I went for. And then obviously I need some socks to go with it. I don't want all these blisters and of course some midgie spray, but I'm going to get the big one for good measure. I had no idea that they had so many clothing brands on offer, but I was really impressed. And with the new puppy, I decided I kind of need a fleece as well because I guess I'm going to be doing a lot of walks this autumn winter. But before I get too carried away, I'm just going to stick with the fleece and the boots for now, and I'm all ready to go on my first hill walk.